I'm Natalia Smith. I am the design director for Metroflor. Future Roots is a trend that we're following. It is probably about 5 years out. It's still gaining its legs in the marketplace, but it really calls back to nature. All of the nature motifs, a lot of them being very much influenced by Art Nouveau, but very much futuristic as well. So we're seeing where people are having cave-like interiors, the feeling of wanting to cocoon and be safer. So it's very organic interiors. You can have very modern lines with the organic motifs. In the Future Roots trends, we have 2 designs that we have released. One of them is a walnut, and the walnut is very classic, flat cut, but it has really nice sinuous movements to the grain, which is very important for this trend because you're not gonna see a lot of straight, harsh lines. You're gonna see very organic movement. The other design that we have is a maple that has an artistic kind of painted effect to it. And it's a little straighter in grain, but the artistic painted motif on this maple makes it very soft. As we progress and people start to feel less comfortable in the marketplace, they want to feel very cocooned, and this is a new way of doing it.